Hi, this is Christine and welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. Well, it's September already and people are probably thinking about what types of items they can make for craft fairs. I made this little journal and I just wanted to show it to you because I thought this is not too difficult to make and it's quite cute, I think, and also can be useful, so I thought it would be a great item for craft fairs. But anyways, I'm just going to show you this little journal that I made. I used a Graphic 45 Parisian, I can't remember the name, let me see. Here it is, Café Parisien, and it's dessert themed. So I made this to be like a little cookbook or a little cooking journal or a little place where you can store some recipes. So I have the beautiful image on the front. It ties, it's just closed with an elastic that comes off like that. And then on the side I have a flower. I have 5 stitched signatures in here. And then here's a little eyelet. And I've got some beads on here. There's some beads. And a little bottle opener, a little wine bottle opener, which I thought was kind of cute, and a little teapot, which goes with the desserts. And then on the back, I have a little tag here that's blank, so you can put a date in there, or a name, or a title. So I'll show you the inside. Like I said, it's not too difficult to make, and all of my pages are the same. So on the inside I have just a tag from the paper collection that I stuck inside the cover, and here these are my pages, and these are envelopes that I used, an envelope just like this one. I'll show you how I did that. I just folded it in two. My little end is torn off here. But I folded it in two like that, just where the flap folds, and then about maybe 1/8 of an inch away from the fold line of the flap, I scored another fold line so that I get a little bit of room for add-ins in here. There's room for expansion. And I attached these inside the book. I stitched them like that. So there's room to insert little recipes in here, and also I just cut the end, which is this end here. I cut that off so you can insert some recipe cards in here. I made these little recipe cards. They measure, I think, about 3.5 by, sorry, maybe 5 1/4. Let's see. 5 1/4 by 3.5, but you make them for whatever size will fit in your envelope. So I had these little recipe cards that I designed, so I'm including these with this little album, this little journal that I'm going to put in my Etsy shop. But anyway, so this envelope is folded in two, and then I've got my pages in the center. So you can put photos here, and you can either add some more recipes or just journal in there. You can use it as whatever you like. And then here's a little doily, and you can slide something in there if you wanted to. And I've got some sketch paper in here. And then here, this is from the paper collection. You can slide something behind there. So this closes, and I put a little magnet here so that it keeps the whole thing shut like that. So I'll just show you the beautiful papers from the Graphic 45 collection that I used. And I did use another paper pad that I had that was also kitchen theme or tea themed, and that's why I have the little teapot on my chain here. I don't know if you can really see that. It was kind of cute. So I have a doily in each of the sections, and there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. So there's 12 pages inside the envelopes. and multiply that by 5. There's 60 pages in here. So these are stitched in the journal. So here's a little tab that I die cut. So this is the next envelope signature. Another little tab where you can put something behind there, my doily. And then this one. So you can make these in many different themes. I decided to make this one food themed so it can be used as a little recipe journal. But you can make one for just everyday journaling if you like, and you can use the envelopes for storing memorabilia. And here's the last envelope. I'll include a link to this journal in my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing it. But like I said, these are not difficult to make, and I think they would make neat little journals to put in your shop at craft fairs. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.